So I have here 16 cards, as you can see, kind of a random collection of values and suits and colors. Now the goal is going to be to match up even value cards with even value cards and odd value cards with odd value cards. Okay, so that's kind of the ultimate goal. And the randomization that we'll be using to mix our individual piles will be something called the Australian Down Under. Now that shuffle is very effective in just destroying the order of a packet of cards. So it really is a very good shuffle for just scrambling a packet of cards. So what I'm going to do is I'll do some initial mixing decided by you. The first one's called a first shall be last and a last shall be first. This is where I begin dealing out until ideally you tell me to stop, and then I'll go on to the next pile. Stop. Okay. Stop there. Okay. Stop there. Okay, very good. The first shall be last, and the last shall be first. So you just stack in opposite order. That's all that means. Should we do one more of those? Yes? Okay. Tell me when to stop. Stop there. Okay. Stop there. Stop there. Very good. First shall be last, and the last shall be first. Okay, so how this will work is I'll go ahead and just deal out 2 piles, dealing to you first, which is customary. Okay, sorry, we're kind of going off camera there. Okay, now from this point on, all of the choices will be made by you. Now, since you're not here, we will have to use a random event for some of these decisions, so I have a die over here on the side. Okay, so how this will work is whichever pile I have, I'm going to perform the Australian shuffle, okay? Now, at any point between the different stages of the game, you can say switch packets, and we'll go ahead and switch packets, okay? So, so let's begin. Do you want to keep your packet and I'll keep mine, or do you want to switch them? Okay, so we'll use the die to decide that. Let's say if it comes up even, we'll leave the packets as is. If it comes up odd, we'll switch them. Okay, but just know that if you were here, you could say switch or just leave them. Okay, so it's odd, so we're going to switch packets. Okay, so the little packet then that's going to be Australian shuffled is the one here in front of me. Okay, so if you haven't seen this before, it's quite a fun shuffle. It's down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. The last one goes on top. Okay, so let's see how we did. The goal is to try to match up evens with evens and odds with odds. So what kind of intuition do you have? You're the one that decided, or the die is, whether we should switch the packets. So let's see how successful we are. How many matches do we get? Or how many matches do you get? Okay, so that's a no match. That's odd. This is even. So it's 0. 0 out of 8. There's 8 possible matchings. That's a fail. That's even. That's odd. So sorry, 0 out of 8. Another fail. Too bad. Another fail. That's odd. This is even. Another. You're not doing so well. You don't have a single one. And you still, now an ace is a 1, you probably know that, so that's odd, this is even. Oh man, you should be able to get just 1 by chance alone. I can't believe it, that's odd, this is even. Are you going to get any of these? No, you're not. That's even, this is odd. Man, oh man, you've got to be the most unlucky person on planet Earth. Okay, well, here's your chance to remedy the situation because this next turn's mine. So do you want us to keep our packets as is, and I'll go ahead and perform the down under on this one, or do you want to switch? Okay, you want to just keep the packets as it. Oh, that's sorry, I keep forgetting. We're supposed to be using this random event. Okay, we'll use the random event. Oh, that went off the screen. Sorry about that. 3. Okay, sorry. The universe says we're going to switch them again. Okay, and I really wish you were here because then you could decide that and feel a little more comfortable with it. But just know that this switching is truly a free choice for the spectator. Okay, but the universe said switch. Okay, so I'm going to perform the down under on the pile that's temporarily assigned to me, right, by the universe. Okay, last one goes on top. So how did I do? You got 0 out of 8. So if we're keeping a tally of the total, you're not doing so well. Okay, how did I do? Did I get them to match up evens with evens or odds with odds? I did, right? 2 and 10, those are both even. So I got 1 out of 8. These are both odd. I got 2. Yes, I got, oh, that's a 1. 2 odds. 2 evens. 2 odds. How is this even possible? 2 evens. 2 evens again. And 2 odds. Look at that. I got 8 out of 8. And I'm sorry to say that you got a big old goose egg. You got 0 out of 8. Okay, so let's just do a couple more rounds here. So, do you want the packet switched or left the same? Well, if you were here, you could state that, but here we're going to use the die. Up, 3, we switch again. Now, if you're starting to think that I'm playing with the die or something, why don't we do it, we'll roll it a second time, okay? Just so, because so far we haven't kept our own packets. So you might be thinking, oh, okay, is there something up? So we'll roll it again, but if it comes up odd, it comes up odd. It comes up even. Okay, that's just fine. So we'll just leave our packets as is. That's what the universe has decided, and very possibly you would have decided that as well. Okay, so what that means is I have a little bit of work to do. I've got to do a down-under shuffle, okay? The Australian down under. Such an amazing, magical shuffle here. Okay, so now it's your turn. Okay, let's see how you do this time. I'm feeling like you'll probably do better. We're off to a rocky start. Even, odd, 0. Odd, even. Odd, even. Even, odd. Odd, even. Even, odd. Man, oh man, you haven't got a single one. Even, odd. I can't believe it. Look at that. 0 out of 16 now. Okay, well, why don't we do one more? You've done it twice, and this will be my second time. So should we switch packets or leave them as is? So let's find out. Switch. 1 is odd. We said that if it's an odd number, we would switch. Okay, so let me get to work here. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one goes on top. Okay, so far it's 0 out of 16 for you, and it's 8 out of 8 for me. So, I mean, it looks like I'm going to win no matter what. No matter how this last turn turns out, but maybe we could have gone on for the best out of 3 or something. But let's see how I did for my second time. 2 odds. 2 odds. That's a success. 2 evens. Yes. 2 evens again. 2 odds. Oh, yep. 2 evens. I'm getting nervous. My luck has got to turn at some point. 2 odds. Yes. 2 odds. And 2 evens. 16 out of 16 for me. 0 out of 16 for you. I am so sorry, but you are not very good at this game. Okay? So let's talk about what's going on. The reality is you could play this game forever, and you would always nail yours as the performer, and the spectator will always crash and burn with their matching. They'll never match anything. Okay, so let's talk about some of what's going on here.